Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Claude's Incognito Mode. So what this is it's basically, if you're familiar with the Incognito Mode in your web browser, it's pretty much the same thing. It's a way to talk with Claude and it will automatically not keep any records of your conversation. So to access it, simply sign into Claude, and for some people, you might not notice the ghost icon here at the top right of your screen. So as you can see, as I mouse over it, it says use incognito, and the keyboard shortcut for it is Control-Shift-I. So I'm going to go ahead and press the keyboard shortcut, and as you can see, I am now incognito. So as it says here, incognito chats aren't safe, added to memory, or used to train models. So this is a great way to experiment with some things and test out the limits of Claude without having a record of what you've talked about. Once you want to exit, simply click on the X button at the top right of your screen, or press the keyboard shortcut just like you did before, or just like I did. And that's pretty much it for this video. It's really quick, really easy, although some people do gloss over the ghost icon at the top right. So they spend a lot of time not knowing this is an actual feature. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.